Never stand in front of a sneezing snail. Random facts that will make you question everything. Snails can sleep for up to 3 years at a time. The Sahara Desert was once a lush, green rainforest. Dolphins have names for each other. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. Your nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. The inventor of the frisbee was turned into a frisbee after he died. Mushrooms can communicate with each other through underground networks. Hot water can freeze faster than cold water under certain conditions, known as the Mpemba effect. What's the weirdest thing you've learned today? Share it with us.